How to invite friends on Sweatcoin app. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch Sweatcoin app on your phone. Here we go. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile first. Now tap on this icon of people right here. Wait for a while. Now over here you can see various options like clubs, activities and friends. For now, let's go to friends. Now over here you will see your friends that are added on Sweatcoin. Now in case if you want to add more friends, what you can do is if you scroll down below, you'll see the option of add contacts. Now if you tap on allow, the people who are on your contacts that are using Sweatcoin application will be added over here. Now, if you want to add friends on other various social media platform, what you can do is you can just tap on copy and copy the link and send it to your friends from messages, or you can either tap on each of the social media platforms listed here. So by following these steps, you can easily invite friends on Sweatcoin. And this is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.